Shanghai Lead World Machinery Technology Company Limited is specialized in researching and manufacturing various whole sets of packing production systems, such as canned food production line, carton packing and palletizer system, automatic filling system, vacuum packing system, different kinds of conveyor system, labeling system, and so on. Our specialized engineer team will offer whole plant planning. Lead World is an industrial and trade integrated enterprise with design, production, customization, and installation capabilities, with import and export rights. And we are a new high-tech enterprise. Many machines we have got the patent. Filling, capping, and labeling machine, we all get the CE certificate. At the same time, the main electrical accessories we adopt arrive America, Canada, the UL, CUL approve, brands like Siemens, Schneider, Danfoss, Mitsubishi, and so on. Our production purpose, market-oriented. We are an outstanding enterprise, recognized by the China Canning Association and Vice President of the Canning Association. Our company is devoted to digesting and absorbing advanced science of processing and automatic equipment. We have many projects. They are installed in Asia, Europe, Africa, the Middle East countries, America, Australia, and so on. Our automatic production system is widely used in food, beverage, dairy products, canned products, cosmetics, lube, medicine, and chemistry. You are welcome to visit our company at any time, and we look forward to your arrival enthusiastically.